while the RX100V, RX104 and RX103 all featured a fast Zeiss-branded 24-70mm f/1.8 2.8 zoom lens. This standard zoom range might be a little limiting at the long end for some, and it's all changed for the RX100V, with the new camera sporting a new 24-200mm zoom lens with a variable maximum aperture of f/2.8 The payoff, then, is that while the lens offers considerably more reach over the 24-70mm optic, the maximum aperture available isn't quite as impressive. However, it's not quite as bad as it seems, as it's only a stop slower at f/4 when the lens is extended just beyond 70mm. It compares pretty favorably to rivals such as Panasonic's Lumix ZS100, known as the TZ100 outside the US, which has a 25-250mm f/2.85.9 zoom lens, and the new Lumix ZS200, with its 24-360mm f/3.36.4 lens. To help reduce the effects of camera shake, the RX100V features Sony's optical steady-shot image stabilization system, which delivers a 4-stop advantage. This means that rather than having to shoot at say, 1/250th of a second with the lens fully extended at 200mm, it's possible to shoot at a shutter speed 4 stops slower, which would be 1/30th of a second in this case, and still achieve sharp shots. It's a bit of shame, though, to see that the built-in neutral density, ND, filter, a feature on previous models, hasn't made it across to the RX100V. This means that in some conditions you won't be able to use the lens at its maximum aperture, or drag out the exposure. Just like the RX104 and 5, the RX100V features a back-illuminated 20.1MP 1-inch sensor with a clever stacked design, which sees the memory chips built right onto the back of the sensor to deliver incredibly fast readout speeds. However, Sony has upgraded the Bian's X image processor with a new LSI chip to enhance the performance of the new camera even further. This means that while the RX100V can match the staggering 24 fps burst shooting speed of the RX100V, the buffer has been extended even further to 233 JPEG images, compared to 150 shots on the RX100V, and it'll manage this while shooting with continuous f and auto exposure.